Hey everyone, Chang here and welcome to my channel. This is the practice problem video series where basically we pick a problem that highlights a math concept very well or one that we would normally see in a standardized test environment. Let's begin. So for today's video, we have this problem. This is a standardized test problem that's extremely easy once you have seen it before. But if you haven't, it's so easy to go off on a tangent that you waste a lot of time and actually still might not end up solving the problem. The reason for this is because we have two equations. Our first instinct with two equations is that we have to figure out what x is and what y is, maybe through substitution or cancellation, however you learned it. And then we figure out what x and y is, multiply them together, we get the final answer. That's not necessarily the case for these kind of problems. Now, first and foremost, let's just see what they give us. We have x squared plus y squared equals 6. We have x plus y parentheses squared equals 4. And what we want to find out, what is x times y? Well, in this case, what we're actually going to do is we're going to use this, but not really in the way that we're normally used to solving this. We're going to focus on this one first because we have x plus y and a parentheses squared. We can break that down. So let's write it out here. We have x plus y squared. That's just the same as x plus y times x plus y. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to basically distribute it or FOIL it, however you guys want to call it. Right? So you have, in this case, you have x squared plus 2xy because you're going to have x times y and y times x, which is x times y. So you have 2xy, and then you're going to have plus y squared. So this whole thing is just this guy right here. We know that this also equals 4 because this is this and this is right here. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to use this guy. We have x squared plus y squared equals 6. Well, here we have x squared and we have plus y squared. And remember, we can just switch it around so that these two actually end up being 6. So what we have is 6. Well, let's just make sure you guys can read that. 6 plus 2xy equals 4. Now, notice this. This is what we're looking for. We have an xy here, so we're not really solving for what x is or what y is. We're solving for the product of it. So here we have 6 plus 2xy. We're going to subtract 6 on both sides. This goes away. Now we have a negative 2 right here, and we have 2xy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, right? And negative 2 divided by 2 is just negative 1. So let's just write it right here. X, y equals negative 1. And that is your answer. See you in the next video.